name's Nick Eastwood from Seacon Renewables, and today I'd like to introduce you to a new product that Panasonic have released, the RAC Solo air conditioning unit without an outdoor unit. So once you unpackage your RAC Solo unit, you'll find there are a number of accessories included in the box with the unit. So you get your mounting bracket, you get 2 non-return valves. So these are designed so that they can be threaded through the ductwork and then pulled back from the inside. So it allows you to obviously install this in a high-rise situation without accessing the outside of the building. You get your manual in many different languages. You get a QR code for an online download of the manual. You get your energy performance sticker. You get a remote control controlling the unit, and also the battery is included. Get some little self-tapping screws for securing the unit, shrouds for the inside of the ductwork to give it a good seal against the back of the unit. Get your screws for mounting the unit or mounting the mounting bracket to the wall. You get a mounting template, which then gives you the positions for drilling the 2 ductwork holes. These are 162mm cores, so obviously that needs to be kept in mind when purchasing the product. And you also get your ductwork, which is in a bit of a different form to what most people would expect. It is a flat piece of ductwork that obviously you have to bend to form the duct. So the unit's available in 4 different outputs. So you've got a 1.7 kilowatt unit, which is an R290 unit. You've then got the 2 kilowatt unit, which we have here, the 2.5 kilowatt unit, and the 3 kilowatt unit. Those 3 units are R32. The units are in 2 different chassis sizes. The small 1.7 being the smaller unit, with the 2, 2.5 and the 3 being the larger units. All the units come fitted with a 3-pin plug. There is a condensate drain on them, so if that is being ran to outside, just need to make sure that it's routed so that it's not going to cause any slip hazards in winter. If you'd like any more information on the RAC Solo, please contact us, tech@seaconrenewables.com, or look at the product on our website, seaconrenewables.com. Stay tuned for an upcoming installation video when we look at the operation of the RAC Solo.